New Zealand. Hawke's Bay, Napier. Every summer, every winter, explore the world's most iconic Art Deco city. Welcome to Hawke's Bay, where Art Deco dreams come alive. Step in the world where history meets modernity, where every corner tells a story of resilience, elegance, and innovation. For 4 days every February, this extravaganza transforms the streets, eateries, coffee shops, bars, theaters, galleries, music spots, parks. Between parties and festivities, consider these must-visit places to enrich your Art Deco experience. First up, the Napier Art Deco Trust, where you can get all information about this festival, the heart of Art Deco heritage.
We need to dress you for Art Deco.
Immerse yourself in the era, architecture, and history through guided tour and exhibitions. Explore the distinctive Tennison gallery settled in Napier city centre, where an eclectic array of glassware, ceramics, small sculpture, prints, paintings, photography, and enchanting endowments await your discovery.
The walls of your gallery could talk. What stories do you think they would tell?
Well, I think they would tell stories from when this was a council building in the 30s, and when it was a chemist in the 60s, and when it's been an art gallery for the last 25 years. The really interesting women who've run this place as a gallery over the years and who've worked here. The beautiful, beautiful artwork from amazingly talented artists from all around the world, and it would probably tell a lot of stories about me with my hammer and nails.
Tango finds you, you don't find tango. I remember watching the video on it, and it showed this little extract on Buenos Aires, and there was people dancing, and I said, wow, that's amazing, yeah. And Fast Track, when I became a teenager, I remember that. Tango it's all about melancholy and nostalgia.
What do you think that makes Art Deco Festival quite unique compared to some other events, especially because you're coming from France? There is another type of events, and that could be quite interesting to compare.
I think you can, here at the Art Deco, you can really dive into that time, into the
Next, explore the fascinating Napier Antique and Jewelry Center, where owners Carrie and Raven have collected treasures since 1995. Their story begins in Wairarapa during their childhood, influenced by their father Kevin's passion for bottle collecting. Stay tuned for more about this captivating tale in our upcoming video.
We used to go to the dump, find things, put them in the auction. So that was a way that sort of got us introduced. Also, he used to make us go under old houses and find bottles. And we got very wise to that, and we said, look, we think you should start paying us.
Yeah, that was interesting actually. Hawke's Bay offers the most unique event you can experience in New Zealand. So why wait? Plan your Art Deco adventure in Hawke's Bay today and discover the magic of this iconic destination. See you there!